now we are going to talk about natural resources. Chapter number 8 in social science. After we finish all the chapters, like after we finish till chapter 11, okay, I'll start taking your test. So please go through all the videos, go through the chapters. If you have any doubts, please ask, okay. Now, natural resources. Resources means things which you find around you which help you out in many ways. For example, water is a natural resource which helps you in surviving, in drinking water. Air is a natural resource. Okay, so all these are your natural resources which are there in the environment around you which helps you to survive, okay, or helps you to live. Human needs can be satisfied partially or completely through resources. Human needs. What are your human needs? Breathing, sleeping, eating, drinking water. All these are your basic human needs. Now these basic human needs can partially or completely, partially half or completely get satisfied through the resources which are found in the nature around you. There are thousands of elements in the nature, but we cannot call them all resources. So there are many elements that are there in the nature that is around us, but we cannot say that all these elements are your natural resources or they are all resources which are helpful to you. These elements can be called as resources only when utilized by man through his special knowledge and expertise. So when do you call anything a resource? When the man is able to use that resource, okay, apply his knowledge and is able to use the resource, then you can say that it's a resource. For example, let's say it's raining nowadays, right? હવે જે rain water છે, you cannot directly drink it. So what will you do? You have your knowledge કે okay, મારે પાણીને પ્યોરિફાય કરવું પડશે. તો બેસિકલી હું પાણીને પ્યોરિફાય કરવા માટે શું કરીશ? પાણીને બોઇલ કરીશ કે પછી ફટકડી ફેરવીશ, right? So once I do that, then obviously the water becomes consumable. Then you are able to consume water, right? Because it becomes fit for drinking, and then I will drink the water. So that is what it means when they say that when you use your special knowledge or your expertise એટલે you are good at that thing, that is called you are an expert in that thing, then it is called as a natural resource, it's called as a resource which helps you out. In other words, the things on which the man is dependent, human needs can be fulfilled by them, and man has physical and intellectual capacity to utilize them, then it is called resources. Now what are they saying? That man is dependent on that resources. We are dependent on water, we are dependent on air, right? We are dependent on all these things, and when I am able to use that knowledge of mine, when I am able to when I am able to purify the things which are there around me, when I am able to use my knowledge, then that is called as that is called as resource. In this way, anything which is used to fulfill the human needs becomes a resource. So anything which is used to fulfill your need, your human need for survival, becomes your resource, okay. In ancient time, man did not know about the minerals buried within the land, so these were not the resource at that time. But today they are extremely useful due to their utility and have developed techniques of mining. So what happened was that in ancient time, in Juna Jamana, we had lot of minerals. Minerals એટલે your coal, iron, all these things. So Juna Jamana, ancient time, man did not know what coal is used for, what iron was used for. So at that point of time, iron and coal was not a resource for man. But as soon the man developed, as soon the man progressed, as soon the man became intellectually intelligent, then they realized that coal no be importance che, iron no be importance che. So automatically iron and coal also became resources for man. Okay, maybe in ancient time it was not a resource, but in present time it was a resource. And it is used for, and then we started mining. Mining એટલે હું ખોદ કામ કરવા માંડી, right? પછી કોલ મને મળ્યો, એ કોલને મેં પ્યોરિફાય કર્યો, right? અને પછી હું કોલના બીજા યુઝીસ બી થવા માંડ્યા. The natural resource should have both the virtues of utility and capacity to work. Virtues એટલે quality. Okay, now whatever natural resource you get, it should have two uses. First is utility એટલે usefulness. Okay, and second is capability to work, that is it should be able to work. Okay, like if I am drinking water, it should satisfy my need of thirst, right? So that is what it is. Like first it should have usefulness, and second it should have the capacity to work. The resources are made of the interaction of three. Okay, how are resources made? Through combination of three things. First is nature, man and culture. Okay, so nature, that is everything surrounded around us. Man, okay, it's made up of man and it's made up of culture. Okay, so this was the introduction to natural resources.